Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing a Fibonacci function in Python. If you don't know what Fibonacci is, I'll quickly show you. It's basically a number sequence, and it works. The previous two numbers add up to the next number, so 1 plus 1 equals 2, 2 plus 1 equals 3, then 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 21, and so on, and it goes in a spiral. And there's proof of this happening in nature with different plants and so forth. But yeah, let's get to the function. Um, so we're obviously going to call this function Fibonacci, and we're going to give it the parameter x so that we can call it. Also, I didn't say this, and I haven't been saying this for a while, but it's important when you write functions that is going to be used by other people, and it's just good practice for yourself in case you forget. You're supposed to use doc strings. And this basically tells people what the function does and tells you what the function does. So we're just gonna, this one's fairly simple and you don't really need to do it, but um, it's just good practice. We'll just say returns Fibonacci and then x. And then if you see when we hover above the function here, it will say returns Fibonacci x. You don't have to do the parameters or the return there. Okay, so let's get started. Now to the main stuff. So first we're gonna do if 0 is then equal to x, and then we're gonna do again with 1, and then we're gonna return x. Cool. Now we need to create two new variables. Let's call it x underscore minus 1, and then x underscore minus 2 equals to 1 and 0. You can do it like this, or you can do it on each line, but it works like this. X minus 1 is assigned to 1, and then x minus 2 is assigned to 0. Or you can split it on two lines, or you can just do it like this, like I said. Now let's get to the main. Well, actually, first let's do result equals none first. Result's going to get assigned a new value soon, but we're just assigning it none so long. And then we're going to say for f in range, then it's going to be x minus 1, and then double colon. Then we've got to say result equals x minus 2 plus x minus 1, and then we're going to go x minus 2 is equal to x minus 1, and then x minus 1 is equal to result, and then we return result. Okay, cool. So that's the function done now. Now I just need to call it, so we can say y is equal to input, and then we can say we're supposed to maybe say int here, so int, because we only want an integer as the input, and we can say enter a number for which the function will return Fibonacci up to. So if you type in 12, it'll go up to the 12th Fibonacci number. You type it there, and then we just go for I in range y. Remember, we are assigning y whatever we put in here, and then that's the range we'll go up to. And then we just type print, and then Fibonacci I. We should actually say plus 1 there, but this is fine. Let's just leave that for now. Let's test it out. So let's do 12. There you can see 1 plus 1 is 2, 3 plus 2 is 5, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 8 is 21, and it goes on and on like that. And if you were looking at this on that picture, it would go in a spiral like my mouse cursor is doing now. And yeah, you can just take this function and use it for whatever purposes you might need. Maybe you're making a math calculator or some sort of math program, or it doesn't matter, but you can use this code here and just change this. You can also take away this, and then you can just do the range here, and you can say 37, or just see. Then you have to do the input, but the input just makes it that you don't have to change the code. You just type in what you want. But yeah, you see the Fibonacci sequence increases quite fast to high numbers. Yeah, thank you for watching.